Today, we're unraveling the mysteries of ratio and proportion. These two ideas are super important, not just in math exams, but also in everyday life. So grab a pen, some paper, and let's get started. First things first, what is a ratio? Simply put, a ratio compares two quantities. For example, if you have 3 apples and 2 oranges, the ratio of apples to oranges is 3 to 2. Think of it as a math way of showing relationships. Ratios can be written in 3 ways: 3:2, 3 to 2, or as a fraction 3/2. They're super versatile and you'll see them everywhere, from recipes to sports statistics. Now onto proportions. A proportion simply means that two ratios are equal. For example, if you're baking and need to scale up a recipe, proportions help you keep the balance perfect. Now, here's the key rule. Cross-multiply to check if two ratios form a proportion. But why do ratios and proportions matter? Let's look at some real-world examples. Reese hiked 10 miles in 4 hours. At the same rate, how far can she hike in 18 hours? Here we have 10 for hiked miles over 4 hours. Equals, let be x, is the how far can she hiked over 18 hours. Now, cross-multiply 10 times 18 is equal to 180. Equals, x times 4 is 4x. To isolate the x, divide each side by 4. So, this has become x equals 180. Divided by 4 is 45. So, the answer is 45 miles. Now to check our work, let's do cross-multiply. 10 over 4 is equal to 45 over 18. 10 times 18 is 180. And 45 times 4 is also 180. So, the solution is correct. Let's test your skills with a few quick questions. A recipe calls for 2.5 cups of sugar to make 12 cookies. How much sugar is needed to make 30 cookies? Write your answer in the comment below. Remember, practice makes perfect. And that's a wrap on ratio and proportion. I hope you found this lesson helpful. Thanks for watching, and remember, math is everywhere.